Welcome to the channel Drone Constructions. Today we will see the current progress of Nagpur Mumbai Expressway Package 13. But before continue, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, because we try to present you the best footage of construction work that is happening all over India. This section is situated in Nashik district with a total length of 45.64 km, which passes through 18 small villages from village Sonari to village Taranganpada near Ikatpuri. And also during ride, you will witness some beautiful river like Dharma and Karva. Well, the company that is working on this section is GVPR, a construction company based on southern region. And this company has never handled mega projects like this before, so this will be a tough challenge for them. As you can see the current activities, a lot of work is still pending there. In many places, still earthwork is going on. A total of 10 vehicle overpasses, 12 vehicle underpasses, 8 public underpasses, 14 minor bridges, 21 light vehicle underpasses, 45 box culverts, 3 animal underpasses, 2 major bridges and 3 flyovers is in their scope. And the sad thing is, maximum of the structure are still in progress. As you can see in this video, the maximum of the terrain is hilly terrain, and maybe that is the reason that's why their progress is really getting slow. And also those viaducts are really way too long compared to other packages also. Well, the interchange is situated near village Varvir Khud, which connects to Ghoti Sirdi Road, and I think that is NH44. And about the progress, as you can see, it's just in early stage, but it will look something like this after the completion. Now let's talk about some good things I have observed there. Number one is, wherever they have completed the PQC, the surface of the PQC and the riding quality is much better compared to other packages. And the second thing is the hilly terrain of Nashik. When this package will get completed, you will enjoy the ride through the hilly areas of Nashik. And also you might witness some waterfall during ride in the rainy season. And just after this package, you will be headed towards the 8.1 km longest tunnel of Maharashtra. But we are gonna discuss that in our next video. So if you have enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and do subscribe, because soon you will find many other mega projects in this channel. And don't forget to comment your thoughts, because I never miss any of your comments. And we'll see you in our next video. Till then, thanks for watching.